Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to calculate percentage in Google Sheet. Let's say you want to find what percentage one number is of another. In new column, type equals to A2 slash B2. Just divide the part by the total. Press enter and you get a decimal. Now to turn that decimal into a percentage, just go to the top menu, click format, then number, then percent. Now it's showing as a proper percentage. Want to calculate a percentage of a number? Use something like equals to B2 multiplied sign into 20%. That's give you a 20% of whatever is in cell B2. And that's how you calculate and format first page in Google Sheet. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips and let me know what you want to learn to next.